Faceless YouTubers love to steal. I should know. The most viewed video on this channel, how to steal movie clips. 400,000 views. Don't deny it. Let's embrace that. Let's steal some channels. But no, not like a common thief. We're artists. We're refined. I cloned a channel making $8,500 per month. Mine makes about the same. Same style, fewer views, better money system. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clone any faceless channel and make more money than the original. Here's your first move right now. Pick one successful faceless channel you want to clone. Any niche, size doesn't matter. Copy their channel URL. Paste it somewhere. No tap, anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll have their entire style cloned. Voice, thumbnails, scripts, format, plus a better money system. Do that now. Pick your channel, copy the URL. Now, the full shadow clone jutsu. Step 1. Analyze their content. AI watches so you don't have to. Step 2. Clone their voice. Sounds exactly like them. Step 3. Recreate their thumbnails. Same style. Your topics. Step 4. Adapt their scripts and add better money systems. I'll show you the exact tools, the exact process, plus which types of channels make the most money when you clone them. Real channels, real clones, real earnings. Let's go. First step, AI does the heavy lifting. You just point it at the channel. Step 1, let AI analyze their entire channel. Don't watch 100 videos yourself. AI does it in minutes. Here's the tool, Poppy AI. Go to getpoppy.ai. This is your visual AI workspace. Paste that channel URL you copied, or paste links to their top 5 videos. Poppy AI watches them, analyzes them, pulls out their patterns, voice tone, pacing, script structure, hook style, everything. It creates a brain of that channel. Now you can ask it anything. What's their script formula? How do they structure intros? What topics get the most views? Poppy answers, based on what it learned. You just got their entire playbook. They spent 2 years developing that style. You got it in 10 minutes. Want to try Poppy AI? Use my link in the description. Try it free. Don't want to pay? Use Google's Notebook LM, completely free. Does the same analysis. It's weaker and slower, but it works. Paste the channel links, ask it questions, it analyzes. You get the playbook. Free option or paid option? Your choice. Next, picking your voice. Voice is everything for faceless channels, but you don't need to steal theirs. Have at least a shred of originality. Pick a voice that matches their vibe. You were going to clone their exact voice, weren't you? Stop. Don't do that. You don't need their exact voice, just their energy. Deep and authoritative, energetic and clear, calm and professional. Match the vibe, not the person. Here's the tool, ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs.io. They have hundreds of voices. Every tone, every accent, every energy level. Horror? Pick a deep, mysterious voice. AI and tech? Pick something fast and nerdy. Psychology? Calm and educational. Cost? About $22 per month for a ton of usage. The original channel is stuck with one voice, or they pay $50 to $100 per video for a voiceover artist. You can test 5 different voices and keep the one your audience loves. Now you sound like their channel, same vibe, but you're not them. You kept your shred of originality, and you won't get copyright strikes. Next, looking exactly like them. Thumbnails make or break clicks. Clone their style. Step 3. Recreate their thumbnail style. Here's the tool, Pixels. Go to pixels.com, built specifically for YouTube thumbnails. Find a thumbnail from the channel you're cloning. Paste the link into Pixels. Click Recreate Thumbnail. Pixels rebuilds it. Same style, different topic. Change the text, change the colors, change the face. Keep the layout, keep the vibe. You can also use Face Swap. Upload one photo, train a persona. Now that same face appears in every thumbnail. Consistent branding, zero camera time. The original? They pay designers $25 to $50 per thumbnail. You're doing it faster, cheaper, same quality. Now you look exactly like them. Next, the money part. You cloned everything. Writing, thumbnails. Now I'll show you how to make more than the original. This is where the real money is. Step 4. adapt their scripts, and stack better income. Back to Poppy AI. Remember that brain it created? Now you use it. Type this prompt. Write a YouTube script in the style of About. Poppy pulls from that brain. It knows their intro style, pacing, transitions, CTAs. It writes a script that sounds exactly like them, but it's your topic, your angle. You're not copying their video, you're copying their style. Legal, smart. Review the script, make small edits, add your personality, your examples, keep their structure. Now you write exactly like them. Poppy also handles your SEO, titles, tags, descriptions, all optimized, all done for you. Now here's the best part, making more money than the original. Here are the 3 best types to clone. Type 1, psychology channels. Example, Pursuit of Wonder. Ad RPM $5 to $10 according to NexLev. What they're missing, therapy app affiliates, self-help courses, add BetterHelp. $100 to $150 per sign-up. Add Coursera personal development, 15 to 45% commission. Clone their style, add those products. They make $8,500 from ads. You make $8,500 from ads plus $3,000 from affiliates. Total, $11,500. You win. Type 2, AI and tech channels. Example, 2-minute papers, AI revolution. Ad RPM, $5 to $10. What they're missing, course affiliates, tool subscriptions. Add Coursera again, add AnswerR. You can earn $7,425 per month. Recurring commissions, 20% to 50% per month. Clone their style, add those tools. They make $5,300 from ads. You make $5,300 from ads plus $7,425 recurring. Total, $12,725 every month. You win. Type 3, horror story channels. Example, Mr. Nightmare. Ad RPM, $4 to $10. What they're missing, streaming affiliates, horror merch. Add Shudder subscriptions. Add horror books on Amazon. Clone their style. Add those products. They make $112,235 from ads. I'ma keep it a buck. You make $112,000 a month, you don't need affiliates. But you get it. Clone the style. Add better money systems. Make more than the original. They did the hard work. You get the blueprint. Plus better monetization. Next, here's every tool you need. Poppy AI analyzes channels, adapts scripts, handles SEO, saves you 100 hours of watching and analyzing. ElevenLabs clones voices, $22 per month, unlimited videos. Pixels recreates thumbnails, face swap, style consistency. Pictory turns scripts into videos, finds clips automatically. That's the stack. Clone any faceless channel in one day. 4 steps. Clone any faceless channel, making $10,000. Step 1, analyze with Poppy AI. Get their playbook in 10 minutes. Step 2, clone voice with ElevenLabs. Sound exactly like them. Step 3, recreate thumbnails with Pixels. Look exactly like them. Step 4, adapt scripts with Poppy AI. Add better money systems. 3 best types to clone. Psychology channels. Add therapy and course affiliates. Make $11,500. AI tech channels. Add SaaS recurring commissions. Make $12,725. Horror channels. Add streaming and merch. Make Mr. Beast money. I don't know. All faceless. All proven. You don't need to be original. Clone what works. I cloned a channel making $10,000 per month. Mine makes $8,000. Same style. Better monetization. Quick note, I can't promise you'll make $10,000. Your results depend on your work, your consistency, but the channels are real. The clone method is real. Your success, that's on you. All that channel data from NexLev. Try it free or use code HARVEST, 20% off forever, $17 per month. That's how you find channels worth cloning. Want the full system? I learned this in Dave Nick's online business course. Link below. Quick note, some links are partner links. In other words, I make money teaching you to make money. No extra cost to you. Someone watching now already picked their channel. They're in Poppy AI, analyzing, cloning the voice, the thumbnails, the scripts, adding better affiliates. They'll make their first $1,000 this month. Will you just watch or will you clone? Hit that like button. Tell me which channel you're cloning. Follow me. I share what's working every week. Let's go.